The 2020 European Masters is a professional ranking snooker tournament taking place from 21 to 27 September 2020 in Milton Keynes, England. Organized by the World Professional Billiards and Snooker Association, it is the second ranking event of the 2020-21 season, and it is the 22nd edition of the European Masters, first held in 1989. The event is sponsored by betting company BetVictor. On the second day of the event, WST announced that two players, Daniel Wells and Gary Wilson, tested positive for COVID-19 and were withdrawn from the event. A further three players were also withdrawn, Elliot Slesser and David Lilly, due to close contact with Wilson, while Michael White came into contact with Wells. Neil Robertson is the defending champion, having defeated Zhu Yulong 9-0 in the previous season's final. It will be played as best of 9 frames until the semi-finals, which will be best of 11 frames, followed by a best of 17 frames final. The event will feature a flat 128 draw as all matches will be played in the venue in Milton Keynes, England. The event features a total prize fund of £407,000 with the winner receiving £80,000. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.